do all things. Oh, I can do all things through Christ who strengthens. I can do all things. Oh, I can do all things through Christ who strengthens. I can do all things. Oh, I can do all things through Christ who strengthens. I can do. I've got his seed, the mustard seed on my finger. In his presence, I promise you, I will linger. I'll be a poet, his great vessel, and a singer. I'll be a poet, his great vessel. I can do all things. Oh, I can do all things through Christ who strengthens. I can do. You gotta have faith that's small as a mustard seed. You gotta have faith that's small as a mustard seed. You gotta tell that mountain to move right now. Gotta tell that mountain to move right now. Gotta believe that all things will work out. You gotta believe that all things will work out. You gotta believe that all things will work out. You gotta believe that I can do all things. Oh, I can do all things through Christ who strengthens. I can do all things. Oh, I can do all things through Christ who strengthens. I can do all things. Oh, I can do all things through Christ who strengthens.
All glory to the Most High. Even when I'm at my low, you keep me so high. Yeah, I thought I was on my own. I thought I was so alone and so cold. All glory to the Most High. Even when I'm at my low, you keep me so high. Yeah, things ain't the same. I don't care about no fame no more. Working on music like all day long. Losing in touch with the numbers, I don't know who this will reach. I pray the Lord you keep me clean, cause the only thing last is the real. Pray this music something they can feel. I was stressed out like all day, trying to bring his plans through my way. I hope it gives you glory through my pain, and the people feel the pains through the same ways. All glory to the Most High. Even when I'm at my low, you keep me so high. Yeah, I thought I was on my own. I thought I was so alone and so cold. All glory to the Most High. Even when I'm at my low, you keep me so high. Yeah. tell me, give you anything. And Allah, I can give you Who really knows you 100%? Who knows your heart and who lets you undress? If I was the sun, it would always be cloudy. Make sure no one knows a bad thing about me. I hid myself when I found sin inside me. Self-hatred filled me, raging like thunder. I dressed myself in the robes of a king, but I wore inferiority right under. All of my life I had longed to connect, to know and be known and not just pretend. I've been in company and still found so lonely, hiding my heart in case they don't accept. Who could accompany the creator of company? I used to hate that I'd never attained the standard my creator was demanding from me. Wretched and wicked, hope couldn't touch me. Hiding myself, redesigning myself, finding myself and hate what I found. Losing myself to survive with myself, but practically dying cause I am myself. I didn't know his demands were a call to lean on the one who had fulfilled them all. That I wouldn't have to attain by myself, that I would be helped and hope would be dealt. Barefaced beholding the one that would give up his own life if it meant that I'd get to know him. I told him, leave me alone, take your hands off me. He told me he won't reject or abandon me. He let me show him my ugly self, and he didn't run from me. He loved me well. He's seeing all of me, he's healing all of me. I love his word, I have nothing else. Barefaced beholding, naked and cold till he comes. Nothing to hide cause I'm loved either way and I don't need to run. I know to whom I belong.
And in the end, if I can just save one soul, everything that I will go through, all of this will be worth it.
All this will be worth it. All this will be worth it. All this will be worth it. All this will be worth it.
Just want to see you in heaven when I get there.
Yeah, and then God showed me something. Love. I put love in the things that don't mean nothing. Try, baby, I tried to love it. He said, Aaron, you in the world, but don't be of it. I swear as I lay down praying for the ones that I know still lost. Cause I know if it ends right now, then you ain't gon' know the cost. No, mama took me to church every Ash Wednesday. Every 15 and first prayed that the rent paid every month as it was. I don't know about coincidences, but I know what this is. His will, blood spilled. I ain't talking no horror films. I can tell you how the story ends, and you still know there's more to tell. And I know life's short as, but heaven got more for sale. I know Grammy in there right now, just waiting for the gates unveil. I don't really wanna fight no more, I don't really wanna lie no more. God take away my life from yours, I don't wanna be right no more. I just wanna help save my people, Lord knows they still deceive. He said, my son, have faith. Even Jesus, brother, ain't believe.
Jesus, he walks with me. He is on my side. Jesus, he walks with me.
Lord, God is you all. I'm here for you, never alone. Watch what you do, all in the zone. I got but 2 keys, all in the door. Lord, God is you all. I'm here for you, never alone. Watch what you do, all in the zone. I got but 2 peas, all in the door. I was playing it cool, never thought I'd be with you. I was so lost, but now I'm found in you, Lord. Found in you, Lord. I got but 2 peas, all in the door. But what you doing? Why you going around? Listen to my words I speak. You don't know what you walking yourself into. Yeah, watch you into. Listen, listen now. Listen, listen now. Before it's too late for you. I'll be your love, just like